Nugget lovers unite. Whether you're a lifelong fan of crispy golden nuggets or just looking for a fun and delicious way to spice up your next meal, you're in the right place. Today, we're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will transform your kitchen into the ultimate Nugget HQ. Get ready to impress your friends, family, or even just yourself with homemade chicken nuggets that are so good you'll never want to go back to the frozen aisle again. Today, we're turning your kitchen into Nugget HQ. Gather your ingredients, clear some space on your counter, and let's get started. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a few bowls, a pan, and a little bit of enthusiasm. Trust me, the results will be worth it. First, grab 2 fresh chicken breasts. If you want to make a bigger batch, feel free to double the recipe. Make sure your chicken is thawed and patted dry with a paper towel. This helps the coating stick better and ensures your nuggets will be extra crispy. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Try to keep them as even as possible so they cook at the same rate. If you like your nuggets a little chunkier, go for bigger pieces. Prefer them snack-sized? Cut them smaller. This is your nugget masterpiece in the making. Now it's time to set up your nugget station. This is where the magic happens. You'll need 3 bowls, 1 for flour, 1 for eggs, and 1 for breadcrumbs. Lining them up in assembly line fashion will make the coating process smooth and mess-free. In the first bowl, add about a cup of all-purpose flour. Season it generously with salt and pepper. This is your chance to add flavour right from the start. If you're feeling adventurous, toss in a pinch of garlic powder, paprika, or even a dash of cayenne for a little heat. In the second bowl, crack 2 large eggs and beat them until the yolks and whites are fully combined. The eggs act as the glue that helps the breadcrumbs stick to the chicken, giving you that classic nugget crunch. And in the third bowl, pour in about a cup of breadcrumbs. For extra flavour, you can use seasoned breadcrumbs or add your own twist with dried herbs, grated parmesan, or a sprinkle of smoked paprika. This is where you can really make your nuggets unique. Now comes the fun part, coating the chicken. Take each piece and dip it first into the flour, making sure it's fully covered. Shake off any excess flour so you don't end up with clumps. Next, dip the floured chicken into the beaten eggs. Let any extra egg drip off. This will help the breadcrumbs stick without making the coating too thick. Finally, roll the chicken in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the coating sticks well. Make sure every piece is evenly coated for maximum crunch. Lay the finished nuggets on a plate or tray as you go. Feel like a nugget ninja yet? You should. This is the part where you can get creative. Try adding a little grated cheese to the breadcrumb mix, or swap in panko for an extra crispy texture. The possibilities are endless, and you're in control. Now, let's get cooking. Pour enough oil into a large skillet or frying pan to cover the bottom by about ½ inch. Heat the oil over medium heat until it shimmers. If you have a thermometer, aim for around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too hot, or the coating will burn before the chicken cooks through. To test if the oil is ready, drop in a small piece of bread. If it sizzles and turns golden in about a minute, you're good to go. Carefully place your nuggets in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Give them space so they cook evenly and get that perfect crispy crust. You might need to cook them in batches, depending on the size of your pan. Let the nuggets cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then flip them over with tongs or a spatula. You'll see the edges turning golden brown and crispy. This is what you want. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side until both sides are beautifully golden and the chicken is cooked through. Remove the nuggets from the pan and let them drain on a plate lined with paper towels to soak up any excess oil. And there you have it, a plate full of homemade chicken nuggets, hot and ready to eat. They look amazing, but just wait until you taste them. These nuggets are everything you want. Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor. You made them from scratch, and you can taste the difference. That golden, crunchy exterior is the result of your careful coating and frying. Each bite has that satisfying crunch you crave, and the inside stays tender and moist, and juicy on the inside. The chicken is perfectly cooked, never dry, and bursting with flavor. You'll be amazed at how much better homemade nuggets taste compared to store-bought. Serve your nuggets with your favorite dipping sauces, ketchup, honey mustard, barbecue, ranch, or even a spicy sriracha mayo. Arrange them on a platter with a selection of dips for a party, or keep it simple for a cozy night in. Watch as everyone dives in. These nuggets are guaranteed to disappear fast. They're perfect for game nights, family dinners, or any time you want a fun, satisfying snack. Who knew you could be the nugget king or queen right in your own kitchen? With just a few simple steps, you've created a dish that's sure to become a favorite. So go ahead, take a bow, and enjoy every crispy, juicy bite. Happy nugget making. Remember, the best nuggets are the ones you make yourself. So keep experimenting, have fun, and share your creations with the people you love. Until next time, stay crispy.